rear-view mirrors make towing safer. The top mirror shows exactly what's behind you, while the curved bottom mirror widens your view and reduces blind spots. They fit right into your vehicle's existing mounts, fold when not needed, and extend to 3 positions. Sam Chow is an outdoor lover who hates camping setup. He built a mobile kitchen that folds out to 1.85 meters and holds 91 kilograms. It has a propane stove, grill, griddle, cutting board, counter space, and storage for all essentials. TrueTrack hitch makes towing easier. Its smart spring level the trailer, distribute weight evenly, and reduce sway. Coupling and uncoupling are simple. The hitch head and bars stay in place while the shank and horn attaches. Control lights, fans, compressors, all from one device. Its 8 buttons come with 50 stickers, so you can set them up however you like. Easy to install in 3 to 4 hours, it works with any vehicle and comes with a 1-year warranty, all for $200. Are you looking for an easy way to protect your car? Easy Cover slips on in just 18 seconds. It repels water, blocks UV rays, and resists fire. These snow chains are perfect for driving in snow. A standard set fits cars up to 1.5 tons. They reduce sliding and braking distance with 8 metal studs for even extra grip. Quick to install without moving your car. Finding a reliable housekeeper is easy, but what about someone to safely access your car? Moki makes it simple. Keep it in your car, pair it with your phone, and share access anytime. Assign multiple drivers, control locks, check battery, and use auto access so your car unlocks when you're near and locks when you leave. Fast-Top Traveler is a clever truck bed cover. Slim and foldable, it turns your pickup into a fully enclosed space, protecting cargo from weather and expanding what you can haul. Next one, let's talk about this headlights. They shine up to 1,000 feet, lighting the road ahead. They fit tight spaces like modern bull bars and attach with steel brackets. For more, daytime running lights fade in on start. If the idea of putting a tent on your car roof doesn't thrill you, think about using a thid rod case instead. It transports up to 4 fully rigged fly rods, each measuring up to 10 feet in length.